I'm that crochet lady, and today we are going to be making little flower placemats. I will show some pictures right here of what we're going to be doing today. Alright, so let's just jump right into this. So first we're going to make a slip knot. And then we are going to chain 6. And then we are going to go back to our first chain right here. Go into that and make a slip stitch by just pulling through both the loops. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3, and this will count as our first double crochet. So just like that. And then what you're going to want to do is 15 double crochets into the ring. So I do have a tutorial video on how to do double crochets, but I'll just show you guys here. So you can take your hook and yarn over before you enter the ring. Yarn over again and pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the last 2. And that is 1 double crochet. I'm going to do this one more time, and remember you're going to need 15 of these. So that's our first. So now get our second. Yarn over, put it through the ring. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Now, make sure you have 15 of these, not counting our chain 3 here. Alright, so I am back, and I have the 15 double crochets we put into this circle here. Now, to finish off your little circle here, you're going to want to insert your hook into your top 3rd chain and just do a slip stitch to connect the circle together. Okay, now what you're going to want to do is chain 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this will count as 1 double crochet and chain 2. So now you're going to double crochet into this same stitch right here. So it's just in the same stitch as this one that you just did. Now what you're going to do is chain 1, skip this next stitch, and double crochet to this one. Just like that. Then chain 2, double crochet into that same stitch, and chain 1, and there you go. And now you're going to want to keep doing this all the way around until you make it back to your first stitch here. Alright, once you make it to the end of your circle, you should have done double crochet, chain 2, double crochet in the same stitch, and then a chain 1. Now what you're going to want to do is count up your stitches here. So 1, 2, 3. You're going to go in this 3rd spot here and yarn over, and do a slip stitch to connect the sides. Alright, so for round 3, what you're going to do is chain 3, do 1 double crochet into this chain 2 space here. Oops. This is our chain 2 space. Do a second double crochet, two chains, 2 more double crochets. So there's that. And then you're going to want to do a chain, skip this chain 1 space, go to the next chain 2 space, yarn over, and do the same thing we did before. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochets into that same chain 2 spot. And chain 1. And continue that in all of your 2 chain spaces until you reach the end of your circle. So now, once you make it to the end of your round, go ahead and find your first chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Go into the top chain, slip stitch everything together. And there you go. That is round 3 complete. So now for our 4th round, we are going to chain 1 to start. And you're going to find this little chain 1 space and go ahead and you see this chain. Put your hook through that, do a single crochet by yarning over, pulling through the 2 loops, and there's a single crochet. And now what you're going to want to do is find your chain 2 space made from the 2 double crochets and 2 chains you did in these chain 2 spaces. And what you're going to do is yarn over and do 7 double crochets into the chain 2 spot. So that's 1, 2, I missed it, 3, 4, 6, 7. Once you have all your 7, you're going to want to find your next chain 1 space, which is right here. It's kind of hidden, but that's your next space. So get your hook into that. My chain's being a little stubborn. I kind of did that one a little tightly. And then do a single crochet right in there. And you will continue this pattern of 7 double crochets and a single crochet into your chain 1 space all the way around. So I'll do it one more time. It's 1. It's 2. And I'll speed things up. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then come over here This is not your chain one space. This is your chain one space right here. This is it. Not that. This. So here's your little chain. So just come on, hook. You got this. There we go. And yarn over, pull through, just like that. Keep doing that all around and meet me back. All right, and here we are at the end. So this will be your placemat coaster, and to finish off, you're not going to want to do a single crochet because you'll see that there's not another chain. It looks like there is, but there isn't. So what you're gonna do is skip this and go over here, find this, go right above it, insert your hook, yarn over, and do a slip stitch. And that will finish off your placemat. That's it. Alright, I will see you guys in my next video, and be sure to check out my other tutorial videos along with my tutorial shorts. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye!